Catch me on them. Any day I catch them, them going to sorry because. What you doing in the house, man?
You know, privatize.
No one of them read the program.
It means private investigator, like Magnum PI and TV.
You know what a private residence is?
What does that have to do with the argument?
Well, you are presently standing in one, and you have exactly 30 seconds to come out.
Oliver, I am not honest, hard-working private sector businessman.
I hear that lyrics before. 20 seconds.
Whatever is past, it's past.
Look, who in them rightful man would employ you as private investigator? 10.
Look at Certificate of Incorporation. Massive PI Inc.
So what the ink stand for?
Don't worry about that, man. So the registrar of companies stamped down at the bottom, yes, sir?
Maffy. Anybody can register a company, you know. It don't mean say the company exists or you stand to get any work.
Minutes of the last meeting of the board of directors. You know what director mean? It means your name print on the letterhead.
But Maffy, no, you are handwriting that.
It's because my secretary don't type it yet.
So how much director your company have?
Me alone so far, but I'm looking for associates.
So why is it to say that every time you're looking for something, it's my house you come? You think my house is a flea market?
Oliver, me not to use my brethren. I plan to offer you the opportunity first.
Look here now, man. Let me tell you. Come out!
I'm offering a part in a very successful company. What you have to lose?
Me freedom. Because anything I get myself involved in with you, I stand the risk of going to prison.
I get it so much work. I can't handle it by myself.
Work? You're getting work already?
With a very decent mobilization upfront payment.
Payment? Suppose, just for argument's sake, you know, I decide to come and join you. Eh? I would be a director.
Associate.
My name would be on the letterhead.
Yes, man.
No. Me prefer director. That sounds more official.
Associate is higher. Is a higher ranking than director in the private eye industry.
True.
Oliver, I ever tell you a lie from you know me?
Director. If it's not director, me no night.
All right. Director. I'm going to write all your name onto the memorandum.
Write on my name? The Muffy don't have to go type it over.
Oliver, you see me have a typewriter here?
No.
You have a typewriter here?
No.
So we can write down the time being and we can get it to my secretary to type it. Oh, you so pernickety, man.
I only hope for something good that you call me, you know.
All right. Oliver Adams, Director 2. No, that's that. Now let us discuss our first assignment.
Oh no. The first thing we must discuss is my payment.
That's the least, Oliver, man.
You know, that is what I did suspect. That my payment would be the least and yours the most.
No, I mean, that's the least of your problem. We're not going to pay a salary. We're going to pay a fee.
A fee?
A percentage of the net after expenses.
What expenses?
Expenses are things like light bill, water rate, rent, supermarket money, and so on and so forth for the office.
Mappy, where's the office?
Me yard. Look,
Yes,
when
man.
we clear expenses, we split the net 60-40.
Who get the 60?
Me.
Oh, no. Because say we're going to do the work equal. And knowing you, I might have to do all of the dirty part of the work. So if we don't split the net equal, me no in it.
Equal, Oliver.
Oh, yes.
That's unreasonable, man.
60-60 are me no in it.
60-60. You win, you win. Hey, look, I will take out my 60%. I'll give you the 60 that leave, all right?
Sounds reasonable.
Deal.
All right.
All right. We're going inside, go discuss with first assignment, all
Okay,
right?
yes.
I'll put on my tie.
All right.
Come.
Lead the way, man. You
All
go
right.
on. You know my house well.
Take off that hat, you know, man. I think I work.
All right. Me anxious to go pan this job, you know. Me anxious, you know.
Join us.
Why?
Look, you're a private, I know. You have to dress like one, all right?
Is what that? You cool?
Just put on the glasses, man. No. The first assignment involved taking some photographs of you.
Oh yes, me love that one. Is what? Muffy, what you looking for?
Oh, the place might be bug.
No. 2 rat and 1 and 2 cockroach, but no bug. Oh yes, them is the pretty little ones.
Watergate is not a bug, it's a place.
Oh no, me don't know that place. But me know a Highgate and me know what. Hey, Muffy, you say me lick me one more time? I drag off that belt from round your vampire something you see, and I hang you up.
Talk soft. Place might be bug. Can be hidden microphones, tape recorders, video cameras,
Locks, Muffy, man. How a small room like this must have in all those things.
miniatures, Oliver, miniatures. This business is highly sophisticated, you know.
Look, no man, just come and give me my first assignment here, sir, and make me go take the picture them.
Well, the client is a wealthy middle-aged man. Convince him wife cheating on him.
Why?
She stay out late sometimes.
Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting.
Give me $3,000 to watch her for 2 weeks, and a promise of another $10,000 bonus if I can provide proof that she's seen another man.
$10,000? What proof?
Photographs of she and the man together. Look. This is a photograph of her. She go to this little secluded motel and rent a room. What I want you to do is pretend that you're the manager. Get close to her because I want some photographs to incriminate her, all right?
I'd prefer stay outside the window and you go inside the room.
The photography have to be professional, Oliver. This is a very high technology camera. Not any idiot can use it, you know. Look, I'm not calling you an idiot, you know. What I mean is, listen, forget about it, man. I'll pick you up 6 o'clock in the morning. We go down by the hotel, map out the place, and plan with strategy.
Hi, not so fast. You say you get $3,000 as down payment? Give me my 60%.
Oliver, it's a check address. You have to go to the bank and clear.
Dominoes. Ah, dominoes. Dominoes. Falling, tumbling down, beating down like bullets on rooftops.
This is my location, all right?
Hey, Yes.
I'm going to stay from right here, sir. And take all the shots this way. Check right being as close to this table as possible, all right?
But look, make sure you don't take my face in that picture, because, one, the man come no say me, And look, let me tell you something. Me know you as a man don't keep up to your word, So me no want you get me in bad in this place, sir. I don't know why I put myself in this. My female, one,
Dominoes. Dominoes falling like the murmur of innumerable bees. Who is it?
Is the evening hotel assistant manager.
What is it you want?
Just a word, please. It won't take 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. Just a minute, please. I'll be there in a sec.
Okay.
Yes,
It is my distinguished honor and privilege to inform you that you are guest number 1,000 in our small umbilical motel. That means, lucky ladies, you are the recipient of our 1,000 Customer Appreciation Celebration Awards. Now, what's your name?
Beverly Charles, but I am...
Hearty congratulations, Bev. Can I call you Bev?
Yes, but you see, I must be alone. I'm writing, you see, and I have to...
Congratulations, Bev. Now, tell me something. Is this your first time here?
No, actually, I come here quite often.
Really? So how comes me never see you here before?
Well, usually I slip in and out quite unnoticed. I like it that way.
No.
Wait, come to think of it,
Yes?
I've never seen you here either.
Oh, here. All the glasses. Please come over here, and I will pour the wine. Now, some for you, and some for me. Good. Now, to customers number 1,000, may you make many more visits here. May you have a long and prosperous life, and may all your dreams come true. Hey, boss, that on the face, I'm lightning, flash, straight into my face.
Nice clothes, Mr.
Wilkinson.
Right, Mr. Wilkinson. Thank you.
Ollie, you can call me Ollie.
Okay, Ollie.
No. Don't finish the wine. Just a sip. You can finish it later on in the ceremony.
Okay. All right, so what now? Let's hurry this up.
The cake.
Oh, yes, the cake. Well, you just wrap it up nicely.
No, my dear. You please to come a little closer over here, sir, to me, and we will have the cutting of the cake.
Cutting? I mean, what's this, a wedding?
Come closer, my dear. Wait now. Let me set up myself. No, not you, dear. It's the radio. The radio man. Give me problems sometime, No, okay. Let us put in the candles.
All 1,000?
No, my love. Not 1,000. Only 10.
Okay.
Only 10 of them we will put in. You see?
Put some?
Yes, okay. Help me out.
Okay.
Right, because
have
now,
to make
you
it
see,
quick.
what we're going to have to do now is to light the candle them. See?
okay.
The 10 of them is to represent 100 customer each, making it 1,000.
Okay, well, light.
Okay. Therefore, no problem,
I'll pull the
Nadia.
wicks up for you.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Here
You
go.
are going to have a really great celebration.
Yes. Quickly.
Yes. Now, after I light this candle, you know what your function is?
What?
You are going to have to blow them out.
Okay.
I am telling you, I love celebration.
Yes, me too.
Now,
I have to work, so.
blow out the candle. You need any help?
Yes, please. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Lightning, where the lightning?
Why are we still bending over the cake? The candles are all out.
The smoke. we have to get rid of all of the smoke by blowing it away.
Okay.
It is a tradition here.
Yeah.
Finally.
Finally what?
Finally, all the smoke gone.
Oh, you sure are a weird person. Can we get him now?
Oh, yes. Yes, of course.
Okay, is the celebration over now?
Oh, I have a small gift to give you as a small token of our appreciation for your welcome every patronage here.
Oh, Mr. Wilkinson.
Ollie.
Ollie,
Call me
this
Ollie.
is a nice surprise.
Now, I think it is your turn to give a little speech. Just a little speech.
Okay. On behalf of the other 999 guests, I would like to express my appreciation for your token of appreciation of our patronage. In hours when life seems not worthwhile, it brings a glow to know someone cares. In the
All
hours...
right.
Oh,
Now, at this point, it is usual for the guests and the manager to share a small, humble, simple little kiss.
uh-oh. No. I don't think
Nothing deep. It's tradition.
Okay, come.
You better catch this quick, you know. It is going to take only a split second.
Yeah, okay.
Now, I am going over to bed. Yeah, idiot.
I beg your pardon?
No, not you, Bev. One of the bellhop just said something stupid to me on the radio.
Oh.
Wait! Now, I have now reached up to Bev, and I am going to give her a small little kiss as part of the presentation ceremony. Ready?
Just be case and the way I do I start with chatting now, man.
What was that?
Oh, the radio. It have a way to fluctuate sometime. You know what? I better put it away, you hear? Look here, no, man. If you can't use high technology camera, why you buy it?
You chat too much. Go and go do what you do, man.
See it? The volume gone up again. Now, everybody ready?
Yes, let's just hurry up and get this over with. A weird person. Aggressive.
You see, I must have been perfect idiot.
Why?
Oh, speaking about wine, I think it is time for us to have the cutting of the cake and the drinking of the wine.
Look, I am really honored, Mr. Wilkinson.
Ollie, call me Ollie.
Ali, yes, I am really honored. But to tell you the truth, I've really had enough of this. You know, I came
Oh, come,
here
my
for some
dear,
solitude. I
please.
need to...
Please, on my word of honor, after we finish this, then I will leave you alone for you to do whatever you want to do.
Okay, well, just hurry up. Make this quick, please. Oh, gosh.
Here's the... Oh,
Drat it!
Hush. Okay, take off the dress. Take off the dress. I will get the cleaners to clean it, and then they put it into the automatic dryer to dry.
How long will that take?
Oh, not even 5 minutes.
Gosh. Oh. Well, all right. Turn your back. Turn your back.
No problem.
Just
No problem.
Lift your arms and hold
I
this
am a
towel.
man of principle.
Lift your arms and hold this towel anyway. Please. Okay. There. Now stay in that position. Do not turn around. Okay.
Well, since we are here, we might as well finish the wine because there is no sense in making it go to waste. Oh! Oh, look at that doing, man.
You are so clumsy.
You know, I have to take off my pants and get the
No,
cleaners to clean.
no, don't you do that. You cannot do that. Do that.
It's It's no problem, my dear. No problem at all. I am telling you, see, it's no problem. I will have them cleaned.
There is something very unusual going on around here.
Oh, nothing at all, my dear. Nothing at all. Remember what I told you? I am a man of principles. Now, let me get this out of the way. Manager to cleaner number 1. Will you please retrieve dirty clothes from in front of room number 6 for emergency cleaning and drying? Over. Affirmative. 10-4. Positive. Out. You will be dressed and be ready in 5 minutes. Is what?
This situation. I mean, if somebody was to come in and see us here, alone, in a hotel room, half naked, we'd have a hard time proving our innocence, I tell you that.
You can say that again. Here we are. Pose off so nice. Nice for a pose. To take a photograph.
You know, this situation inspires a poem. Come and help me write.
All right.
Okay.
Well, you start.
Okay, let me think now. Fate has brought us together.
Together? Together. Lightning. Where the lightning?
Oh, maybe it's clearing up. Flung together like lovers in a dream.
A dream? A dream. Is you fall asleep back there?
Unwitting partners in an unwitting dream.
Waiting. Waiting.
But strangers are we, not lovers.
Lovers. Lovers. Forever lovers.
Oh, Ollie, that...
See, Mr. Johnson? If I tell you, you'd probably not believe me. But you're hearing it for yourself and seeing it for yourself, too. Lovers, lovers, forever lovers.
Harry, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here, naked, on the bed, with this... What is this?
This is Ollie.
Matthew, how come you never tell me that this is part of the plan?
How long has this been going on?
Since about 7 o'clock.
Weeks, Mr. Johnson, weeks.
Matthew, is this part of the plan too?
Bev, how could you do this to me?
Look, there is a simple explanation, Harry.
She's taking it for an idiot, Mr. Johnson.
Matthew, what's going on?
There is absolutely nothing going on.
Nothing? Lovers, lovers, forever lovers? You call that nothing?
I don't understand. Matthew, you never tell me about this one. What is happening?
That was just a poem.
Poetry, reciting poetry to one another. And I uncovered this plot, this evil plot. Me alone.
Matthew, what's going on?
Harry, who is this man?
I am Private Eye Murphy Cardosa.
Who is this man?
This is Ollie Wilkinson. He's a hotel manager.
Hotel manager?
Wait, you're having an affair with the hotel manager?
Lie! Him is not the manager. I know this little careless boy. I see him walking up and down the street all hours of day and night.
His liar telling. I is the hotel manager. Now, how dares you to come into my premises with your masterosity?
If you were the hotel manager, what are you doing naked in a room with a guest?
Good question.
Well, sir, wine throw away on my pants, you see, and I sent it to get it clean.
Wine?
Bev, explain it to him.
Okay,
See? First name basis.
look, Harry, I come here all the time.
See there?
Whenever I tell you I'm working late, I'm usually here. I'm working on my book of poetry. You know I can't work at home, Harry. Besides, I promised the publishers first draft by the end of the month. I'm dedicating it to you. I wanted it to be a surprise.
Well, how did he get into the picture?
Oh, well, today I just happened to be the 1,000th guest in the hotel, and he's here honoring me for that distinction, that's all.
Why are you undressed? And why is he in his underpants?
Oh, well, the wine. That was a part of the honor. It spilled on my dress and on his pants, and he's having it cleaned by the hotel's emergency cleaning service. Okay?
Emergency cleaner? Emergency cleaner. How is the pants and the dress getting along? Good. Over. Negative. Out. 3 minutes. Good. It will be ready in 3 minutes.
Are you trying to fleece me out of my money?
Yes.
Me? A professional like me? Let me show you something.
Mafi, wait! What is wrong with that boy doing?
See the clothes here? Throw them outside on the floor. I have all the proof you need, Mr. Johnson. Look, photographs of them hugging and kissing, etc., etc. Now, tell me something. That's the behavior of two complete strangers, half naked, alone in an hotel room? Eh?
No, you have a point.
And that's not all. I have cassette tapes. Here, trap videotapes. Everything. I have all the proof of what I've been suspecting all this while, Mr. Johnson. And I uncover it, me alone, single-handedly.
Beverly, what have you got to say for yourself?
Not a thing. You obviously trust this con man more than you trust me. So I'll not say another word.
No, Ben. No, we can talk this over. No, stop, don't go, please.
So, Mr. Johnson, guilty as charged.
Know that she gone. Everything okay? Him know that means part of the plan?
Play it by here, Oliver. Play it by here.
You know what? As manager of this hotel, I have a lot of things to do.
Manager? I will go downstairs and get somebody to come up here and identify you as the manager.
Hi. I mean, assistant evening manager.
No big thing, man. Somebody must come up and identify you as the manager.
Deputy assistant.
Tell you what, I will bring the manager up here to identify you as him deputy assistant manager.
No. I don't think he will remember my face. I just started work this morning.
That shouldn't make any difference. Your employer must know your face.
Well, I did come late this morning.
So, Mr. Johnson, is line telling? Look, if you want these photographs on slide, you see?
Mafi.
Just ask.
Mafi. His wife looking at me like that. He know me's part of the plan.
You're the slimy rat that's been seeing Bev?
No. Me not so slimy. Security. Send 2 guards up here right now to get out 2 intruders out of the premises.
Intruder? Who are you calling an intruder?
Security, cancel that call for me. The last request, cancel it, please.
I have never been a violent man.
And please don't start
But
now.
there comes a time in every man's life when he is pushed to the limit.
Mafi, let me tell you something else. Don't fool with me here. Here, Mr. Mafi.
Who you calling Mafi? Eh? Who you calling Mafi? I am Private Eye Cardosa. Mafi is from my friends and acquaintances. Mr. Johnson, I'll be in the office first thing tomorrow morning to collect that shit. Okay,
Good
sir?
job.
Mafi, it's me, your friend, Oliver.
Oliver, how you can do a thing like that, man?
Oh, that. Mafi.
What do you mean you gotta tell the man the truth, man?
Mafi said the man was going to kill me.
The man was going to kill Oliver. You hear the man say with him one more that he was not violent.
That is what him say with him mouth. But with him fist, it was a different story.
Because you were confessed, the man refused to pay me my money. The man I called police for me say he's a fraud.
Do Mafia. Trying to make anything happen to you till me get better.
Police are threatening to revoke my license. $10,000 was this close, Oliver. All you had was to do was keep your mouth shut.
Keep my mouth shut. I made the man kill me.
Then the man ain't done lick you already, Oliver.
No, Mafia. Him ain't done. When me tell him the truth, him done.
$10,000 gone down between me.
Mafia, that was a wicked double cross.
Oliver, the man come up on me sudden. I had to think of something at the spur of the moment. To play it by ear.
Oi, me head.
The doctor say anyway, bro?
Why? The doctor say everything broke.
If you just keep your mouth shut, all this suffering wouldn't be in vain. Sure. Anyway, make case and get better. You hear?
Why?
Well, I have another little job for you next week, Friday night. Nothing dangerous, alright? You can do a little dive in. How long you can hold the breath underwater? You think you can hold it for about 45 minutes?
Mafia, come look closer. Me not hear you too good.
It's a little job down by the wall.
Talk little louder.
You're going to have to dive, go to a ship and spy for some container. Why? Yes. You don't go back to me, my idiot.
I was just getting my ears. After you made the man broke up every bone in my body.
Why you? Where are the man? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with the man? All right. Good.
That have on them lights on the screen. You realize that show can't start with light on the screen. Me tell her, I must some country fool. Hey, when I find them, I can't come with idiot. I want to see all the boy like that. See, man. What kind of foolishness that them are going with?
Oh, man, the man without the car top. I feel like turning, brother. Yeah, man, lock it off, man.
Kiss me neck. I could have seen me lock off my light, you know. You tell them carry embarrassing, you see, man. You see all me not borrow it again, you know. Never. What thing hurt me, see, man? I look at me and shout up on the man, and me look like me an idiot, you know. Sure. You alright here? You can see?
See what?
The movie.
No, where it is.
It not started for you.
So Oliver, if it not start yet, how you expect me to see it?
The screen. Over there, so.
Oh! You mean the big white thing?
Yes, I mean the big white thing.
Yes, man, I'm okay here. I can see.
Good.
Oliver, don't bother feel it's the first time I come into the movies, you know. I was just pulling your legs.
Yes, Fear. I understand. I'm talking about legs. Why you have to wear these tough, tight jeans?
No special reason. It matter?
Not really. But normally people are going to drive in, wear a skirt or a nice loose shorts.
Why?
Well, you see, a tough, tight jeans don't give me no it don't give you no flexibility.
Oliver, what kind of flexibility you want for us to sit and watch a movie?
Well, Joe, forget it, man. Forget it. But next time you come out with me, I say, please wear something more convenient.
Stop your foolishness. Nothing is wrong with what I'm wearing. It's stone wash or acid wash. I don't even quite remember.
Stone. Definitely stone. You don't want nothing to eat?
You're asking me or you're telling me?
Just ask me for you.
That don't sound like a question. That sound like an order.
It's not an order for you, it's a question. You don't want nothing?
No, I don't decide yet. Tell me, Oliver, where's the bathroom in this place?
You want bed?
Oliver,
It's a joke we're making. Come out, I can't go round Sunday, you turn right.
okay, I soon come back.
Be careful in them heels. You don't decide yet. You better not want nothing. I never know such a drive-in movie is expensive. Kiss me neck. $20 each. Plus the boy lend me the old car with not even big jilla gas in there. No aisle. The amount of money I spend on gas and aisle, I could at least a taxi for a whole month. I only hope she not last. She don't seem too illustrious in her head part. But she seems to be a very nice girl. Here's one thing we can't take with her. She seems to have a very strong appetite. I should have never carry her anywhere where food sell. I wonder if I should have changed my parking spot on her and come back after the cafeteria close. No, Oliver. You mustn't think those things. Hey, Fear, come over. She seems to be a really very nice girl. It's only $20 me having a my bill full. I don't hope she don't want nothing, you know. But every time you see that the girl, she wants something to eat. Maybe this side Tommy must strengthen her appetite.
What did you say, Oliver?
Me was just saying that my pants waist tight. Must have put on weight.
Oh? So what you doing with your billfold in your hand? You're anxious to spend some money?
No. I was only checking to see if the driver's license up to date.
Oh.
So, you find the bathroom all right?
Yes, man. The show soon start?
Yes, it soon start. You make up your mind if you want anything from the cafeteria?
No.
No, you don't decide yet, or no, you don't make up your mind?
I don't think I want anything.
You sure?
All right, if you insist.
No. I wasn't insisting. I was only making sure that you sure you don't want nothing.
I changed my mind. I'll have something.
You want coconut water or fruit punch?
Mix it.
All right, that's soon come.
Oliver, while you're at it, you see, I wonder if I should have something to eat.
You want chewing gum?
No, man, just Oliver.
Yes?
You can carry a piece of jerk chicken and some rice and peas for me?
No fear. They don't sell chicken around there.
Yes, man. Them sell one holy prawn at the back. When I go to use the bathroom, I see them have one holy prawn there.
You sure it's chicken, you say?
Then a big man like me no must know jerk chicken.
Oh, yes. I forgot. You don't make mistake with food.
What?
I say if I see any around there, I will buy it.
And Oliver,
Eh?
you can carry a leg and a breast for me. Me case the movie soon start.
No chicken, so I bring it banana chips and drinks.
No chicken, but I leave a whole heap around here.
It must sell fast, man. You see when I go around here, me see a big fat man buying the last piece. All the pleading and begging I do, him refuse to ease me up. If me did go around there 1 minute more, maybe me that get through. Never like say me foot short.
So how you go around here and come back so quick?
Quick? Me jog. Look how me I sweat.
I have a sneaking suspicion that you never go around here.
What do you mean by that, Fear? Why a big man like me would I want to tell you a lie?
Because you mean and don't like to spend money.
Look here now. You want the banana chips and drinks or not?
No, I don't want any banana chips. I want jerk chicken.
Me said there is no chicken. Eh? What do you expect me to do, Fear? Go outside the street, go run down people, fall, catch it, so jerk it, give you.
Forget the argument. Just forget the argument.
Hey, wait. Why you get so vexed, me dear? It's not dinner me did invite you to, you know. It's the movie.
But I didn't know you were scaring me here to death for hunger, or else I wouldn't come.
So tell me something. Tell me this. You never eat no dinner in your yard?
No, because you was rushing me.
You eat anything since month?
Listen, just forget the argument. Just forget the argument.
You want the banana chips and drinks or not?
No.
All right, me will have it.
Give me.
You really did hungry for true. You know, I don't understand why them jerk shot small amount of chicken, you know, and so much people come at the drive-in. I'm going to have to go speak to management about it.
Then how this a movie it takes so long to start?
Any minute now, man. Any minute now. You know, I have a sneaky suspicion that me not going to enjoy this movie. So wait. Is so the two we going to sit down here quiet and stiff for the whole night like two effigy?
So why you not say something?
Then you say something now?
About what?
About anything.
Like what?
Tell me about your love life.
That is personal.
Tell me, Fear, what sort of man excites you?
He must be kind. I hate a mean man. And he must be good looking.
You want me to tell you what kind of woman me like?
What kind of woman you like?
A woman with a small appetite. I hate a craving woman.
It's me you calling Craver?
Me never call anybody name, you know. If you fling stone in a hog pen, the one that squeal is him it licked.
Me not crave now, me not crave.
Shh! Fear! What you think you is?
Me not crave.
Mark it!
He is the first man to come call me crave, you know, me not crave.
Fear! Why you making so much noise? You don't say what for people watch, you just put
You
it
know
on.
what is true, Mr. Oliver? Better come call me home, you know.
When?
No.
Your head I take you. Listen, that's $40 me if you have to come to this movie, you know. So if you want guy, you can go on. But right now, me not leave until the show finish.
If I didn't know, I would have walked with my handbag, you know.
Look, Fear, we's here already. So we might as well try and enjoy the movie. What you say?
Well, since we're here already. But only if you apologize for calling me Craven.
You? Craven? No, dear. I wasn't talking about you. I was talking generally.
Okay, let us try and enjoy the movie.
Me's not a mean man, you know, Fear. Everybody say how me kind. Most of my friend them. You kind too?
You see me, Oliver, a man can get anything from me. as long as he's generous.
What you say want again? Chicken breast?
Don't bother, don't you send none that around there.
During intermission, maybe go to the street, go buy it for you, you know.
It's all right, don't bother.
So you come to drive-in movies regular?
Then I must, Oliver. But see, what a stupid question. I don't look like a civilized girl.
But you were just asking, you know, because I know someone.
God have mercy, power cut. Oliver, put on the top. Quick.
Why?
Before the looting start.
No fear. It's not a power cut. It's turn off the light to show the show.
I forget. It's going to start.
Yes, fear.
Anyway, Oliver, still put up your top because you know how these looters are. They just use any opportunity to start the looting.
Fear, you don't have to worry about outside looters because I plan to do a little looting right here, so you can.
What do you mean?
No. Watch the move. It's the funniest advertisement I've ever seen in a long time.
Oliver, look how I drink this stout now.
It's drinking funny, do I? I stop.
I laughed up here a long time.
Yes, it's funny for sure.
Look at the bubble on top of the glass. Why? Touch it, quick.
You have a fight. I might as well, but not the car.
This nice is a shame, don't you know?
Relax. Me I tell you, if you enjoy the advertisement so much, I can't enjoy the movies. Why?
Wait, Oliver,
Eh?
why the seat back going back?
Just to make you look more comfortable there.
Straighten back the seat back.
It's all right for you, man.
Sure, man, straighten back the seat back. I want the seat back straight. Sure. Listen, what type of girl you think me is, eh?
Well, me never think about it. But me say you seem to be a nice, lovely girl.
Listen to me now. You think me is one of them girl who you can take to the movie and do as you like with?
We make up so much nicer for you, eh? What you mean? Me just recline the seat back, man. It's my cousin car, you know. Listen to me. No, it's all right, man. Just come into the car, man.
Listen, just because you give me the one pack of dry up banana chip and the little insipid taste bad drink, you think that give you the right to manhandle me?
But you're going on as though this is attempted murder. Sure, just pay attention to the screen, man. The movie soon start.
Michael Sweetwood, Peter Laws, Peggy Fields, Paul Lee, Brenda Biggs, in a Michael's apartment
Hi,
production.
Fear. Me can read it for myself, you know.
I wasn't reading it for you.
It sounds like you're reading it for the entire amount of people that never get to see the movie.
I'm reading it for myself.
Well, read it in your mind, no fear.
It's a habit I have, you know. It's so I love to read aloud. You mind?
No. Not really. Whatever you enjoy.
And introducing as Gwangu, Ian Hamilton, producer Keith Bryce, based on the novel by Karen Smith, executive producer Roy Robinson, directed by Mike Walters. Oliver, move your hand.
See more writing them and it a pass.
Oliver, move your hand. Not that one, the other one.
Why?
Because I don't like people to crowd me up, man.
Crowd? It's basic crowd. Not just it in a car.
Oliver, just move your hand, no man. What you up to, eh?
I'm not up to anything. Sure. Look here, no, man. You know, for going them way there, I'm not up to anything, man.
You're up to something because you just hugging me up,
Look,
so.
man, just
Why you have to hug me up? What you up to?
I'm not up to anything. Sure. Me I just feel comfortable on the back of the seat back, man.
Put it in your pocket.
No, man, me I feel uncomfortable in my pocket.
Put it in your lap, no man.
It feel idle in my lap.
For the last time, move your hand.
Hey, you know what the saying go? Devil find work for idle hands.
Well, the doctor going to find a cast for yours if you don't move it. Thank you. Now let us watch the movie like two civilized people. Isn't that what we come here for?
Speak for yourself.
That's not what you come here for.
Right now is that same question I asking myself. What I come here for?
Well, please allow me to watch the movie.
But no more writing not coming on until the end of the show, you know. We have 2 hours in which to socialize.
If you wanted to socialize, you should go to a club. I come here to watch the movie.
And full your belly.
Huh? Huh?
Last year, man. Stop it nice with the banana chips bag now.
It's telephone, you can't handle it any quieter.
Well, put it down, man. You're disturbing me.
If you never want me to eat it, why you buy it give me?
A bite give you to eat. Not for you on the bag to be having a concert. Take out the chips quieter now, man.
If I was eating jerk chicken, it wouldn't make any sound. Look out! Behind you! Good. Serve you right. You're too wicked. Lick him! Lick him!
But me no night.
Serve you right. You're too wicked. Boxer! Boxer again! Please, wicked too. Again!
Hi, here. If you lick me one more time for the night, you see.
Oliver, Oliver,
What?
look.
What?
See the man coming from round the back with jerk chicken.
Oh, he must go by it out the street.
All them jerk more. Look, the man.
Locks. Me athlete's foot. Me athlete's foot.
All right, give me the money. I'll go.
No. It's quite all right. Me we go.
Me case and come here. The movie getting nice.
It's nice for you. It's a tragedy for me.
The end. That was so good in Oliver. 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 Wake up.
Is what? Is what?
It's nothing. The movie finished.
Already.
That was so nice. I really enjoyed it.
What? The chicken or the movie?
The chicken, it tastes like it touch.
It's a good thing it did touch.
Boy, thanks for a wonderful night. I really enjoy myself. We must do this again.
You're welcome, Fear.
I'll call you and I'll set up another.
No. You don't call me. I will call you.
You sure?
I was never more sure about anything in my life.
Ah, you think tonight bring us any closer
Closer to what?
to one another?
Oh, no. That is what I was trying. But you never give me the chance.
I think I learned a lot about you tonight. You never learn anything new about me.
Oh, yes. You love jerk chicken. Even if it touch. You don't like anybody to hug you up. You can read good, but loud.
Well, that is a start. Let's go.
Listen now, Fear. I have no intention of carrying you up on that rough road to your yard, you know.
I wasn't thinking of my yard.
You don't hear you good.
We have music to play.
Me have a Walkman and 2 Bob Marley cassette.
Anything to drink?
Some Kool-Aid.
Anything stronger?
Me can put lime in it.
Okay, let's go and kill a couple hours.
Sounds reasonable. Sometimes it take long to start. What? This sound serious, man? Watch out. It's okay, I look like time will start tonight.
You're going to leave it here?
Well, Miss certainly not going to lift it up.
It's safe here, Oliver.
Safer than me and you. Look, tomorrow morning I'm going to get a mechanic and come out here, make him come see if him can start it. Come.
Oliver, we can get a taxi nearby.
Taxi? Me not think so.
So where are we going?
Home.
Tell me the truth, Oliver. You don't have taxi fare.
No fear.
Oliver, I have on a very high-heel shoes. How far away is this bus stop?
Bus?
Tell me the truth. You don't have bus fare either.
No fear. Is it me who's and buy the jerk chicken?
Listen, how am I going to reach home now?
No worry yourself, man. Me know a good shortcut.
If I did follow my mind, you know, say I wouldn't come with you.
Fear, look. It make no sense complaining. You might as well save your energy because it's a very long walk.
I don't believe this.
Well, you better believe it. It's the bus fare we use and buy jerk chicken. So we have no other choice but to walk.
In my high heels?
Then take it off now, after you no glue on your foot.
Me can't walk on the stony road in my high heels.
Well, my dear, the choice is yours. Me gone ahead, so follow me. Next time, somebody take you out, check the budget before you place your order. Walking time, roping.
I don't know how him expect me now to go walk barefoot on the stony road. Oliver!